Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all very much for joining me on my next adventure, which landed me in Iceland, if you pardon the pun. In this video you can expect to see stunning landscapes, a lot of rain, unflattering camera angles and the occasional bit of snow. Grab a snack, sit back and join me in the land of ice. I just devoured with Burger King. We've landed. That plane's bleeding boiling.
Well, baggage reclaim is going to lead to an exit.
Now I've got the mission of figuring out how to get from the airport to the actual place. So, wish us luck.
Oh my God,
It's not beer this time. I've got myself some rum punch. Drink it then. Why are you cheating not taking a sip? I've already taken a bite, but here they are. According to Gina, best water she's had.
How does that make sense? How does water taste the same?
I don't know, it's nice.
What do you reckon? Would you rate that?
It's like the water to me actually.
I found the other one spicy.
Demolished. Heads up, if you come to Iceland, be prepared to spend hella coin, 3 tacos and a cocktail, £32 each. I've got no money left. We stayed in Centre Hotels, Gahaldembra, if that's how you say it. Anyway, back up for a room tour. Very narrow walkway, but this is where a lot of walking will be taking place. I haven't got a clue who's going to be able to fit in that shower. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to turn around without like hitting something, but we move. I don't know what that's for, but I don't know. And here is the bed. Let's have a look at the view. Some sort of hot scotch down there. Fucking hell.
It's broken!
The shower's falling apart.
Okay.
What the fuck?
We have BB.
You've got 2 key cards.
It's time to activate Eskimo mode again. Stay, no. Eskimo mode activated. Hoodie, scarf, bum bag down the back. Got my head in there.
Sorry, technical difficulties.
And now time for the jacket. Oh no, we're falling. Ah! Oh. Okay.
Most of our laptops are still here.
My first time ever wearing a scarf, by the way. And I think it's a bit more, gets in the way more than anything. And of course, the hand warmers are heating up ready. Oh no, it's going again. Alright, see ya. We're on our way to the waterfront with a cold country for a change. Walking through the snow is fun. Something clinging on to me for dear life while I'm out in the snow. Would you look at that mountain range? Mountain hill.
Mount Olympus.
It's bigger than any hill in Cheshunt, so I'm calling it a mountain.
I thought your tongue was out.
Then who would catch it if you fall?
What?
Then who would capture it if you fall?
Well, this is it. So here we are.
Oh, hello. I'm going to scale Mount Everest. Watch this.
Bravo! Bravo!
Good job.
Okay, that is a Navy ship on your left, as you can tell by the colours listed below.
Yeah, and also the fact
And
that
this is an orange ship that does no idea what it does.
also the fact that all of the domes are radar. There's cameras if you look at all that.
I've been personally invited by Bjork to compete, so watch this space. We're heading back to the hotel. We now at least know the place we're meeting, so that at least makes one challenge. So we'll be back here in a few hours for our night cruise. Right. Hopefully we see them.
Hopefully, and we don't freeze to death.
Okay, we're back in the hotel, having a nap before our midnight
tour.
Our midnight boat Northern Lights tour, which actually isn't at midnight, it's just at night, so our midnight, not midnight, night Northern Lights tour. Jacket.
Back to the studio.
Ooh. Oh. Scarf. That TV's wobbling. Bum bag. Oh. My hood's wet. Don't know why. But I'm keeping the... Fuck my back. My back's fucked. I'll keep this hoodie on for now. Nothing toasty. But yeah. We'll be reconvening once on our way to the cruise. You've been Chris. Get you, yeah. Now we are looking. What's that?
Did you have a nap?
I did you?
No. But I rested.
We are looking for somewhere to get a snack before our boat tour. And we're potentially looking at this place.
Sideways.
Oh, waffles. There's a bench behind me with a bit of a flawed design. Where are you going to sit?
Church, didn't they?
We're on our way to the boat tour. And you can feel the cold. -3.
Oh my god! There's so many clothes on. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hallelujah.
Praise God. Hallelujah, praise God. Oh my god.
You don't put your jacket in there, right?
Oh my god, I literally felt the mixture in there. How did you get it up? We made it onto the boat. I've got this sort of like, you can't see it, but like a snowsuit on to keep you warm. It's crazy to think that I'm literally in Iceland on a boat going to the Northern Lights. Hopefully anyway. We're back from the cruise, and I can honestly say, have you ever experienced cold like it?
Oh my god, my toes are frozen.
No, honestly, I haven't ever experienced a cold like that. So, although it was very good fun, I am glad to be back into the warmth of the hotel room. I think we managed to see like one beam of like green light clearly. Other than that, the other one's a bit faint, but I mean, we saw something. Good morning, guys. We are on our second day in Iceland. Today we are going on one of these like Golden Circle bus trip, so fingers crossed that's good. I have looked outside, it is pissing it down. All the snow is like melted away, so I'm not really living my winter wonderland fantasy, but that is what it is. Hopefully we don't get too wet. So yeah, breakfast is included in this place. I think we're staying at, I think it's called Central Hotel. So we're gonna get our breakfast there, then we're gonna go to bus stop 6 where pickup location is, so you'll be seeing the breakfast. Hopefully it's not fucking grim. 2 buses later, we made it. I'm all wet. We are soaked. Right there. Great. The others abandoned me, so I'm going on a trek on my own to the edge of a cliff to see the waterfall from a higher angle, so let's see what it's like. We just got back from the tour. My oh my, what a day it's been. It has literally been like torrential rain for most of the day, so we got soaked. But yeah, we've come back to the hotel room now to dry off a bit, and don't even know. Gonna go eat, I suppose. Yeah, we're on a Golden Circle tour, so I would recommend it, but try not to go when it's pouring down with rain. I'm sure you'll see a few clips of how bad it actually was. We've got to keep up with the traditions. Everywhere I go, I've got to try a local beer. You know, I don't like beer. Today we've got a, where are we?
Bolly.
An Icelandic Bolly beer.
Tastes like shit.
Oh, can we catch over?
So, I'm trying to work out.
Very traditional. All the way to Iceland for a nice bit of fish and chips.
69.
Bit of tartar.
Oh, I can't fuck it. I can't even think about it. Who's got the salt?
Cool transition, work in progress. Good morning guys, we are on our final day in Iceland. We had a spontaneous last minute decision to actually go to the Blue Lagoon, so now we've just packed our bags as you've seen, and we are going to go get some breakfast, come back, get our bags, and head to Blue Lagoon. It was really expensive, but we thought as we're probably not going to be in Iceland anytime soon again, might as well do it while we're here. So, also I've got to say, quick tip. Apparently we've been told by like other travellers who have been there already that everything at the Blue Lagoon is really expensive, like food and stuff. So while we're at breakfast, we're gonna like sneak a few sandwiches in so we can lease that out with us. So we're not literally spending a fortune there. So if you can, still breakfast. Say Dimitri gave me permission. All right, what's up, guys? So it was a successful mission. Got a bit of an adrenaline rush doing it, as cheesy as it sounds. So what do we get? We got a salami sandwich, and I got, that was Andreas one that I had to nick for him. Well, not nick, we made it and took it with us, we not really meant to. And I've got a salami, cheese and tomato. So now, we've at least got our lunches. We've at least got our lunches for the day, so that'll save us like, what, 40 quid between us. Because heads up, the food in Iceland is expensive. Fanny packs on, backpacks on, I'm ready to go. It feels somewhat comfortable, yeah, it too.
Vice member crew, who can provide you weekly flights. Shortly we commence with flight service and we arrange a suite at every stacks alcohol liquid in front of you. And just advise you we only accept payment by credit or debit card and contact letters as a first method of payment.
What's up, guys? I am now teleported from the airplane into my room. I've now been back from Iceland for about 3 weeks, so you know the drill. New destination, another scratch off the map. Let's get into it. Don't think it wants to work. I did try with a coin, but I'm scared I'm gonna like tear through the map like I sadly did for Budapest in Hungary. So we've got a trusty eraser, and hopefully this does the job. Oh no. We're making progress, team. We're making progress.
I just want the bugger to get off. I've really got to put some elbow into it, or wrist.
And there we have it. Iceland is my first destination scratched off for 2023. Thank you all so much for watching. I'd really appreciate if you could do some travel recommendations below. I'm looking for new places to go to in 2023, so that'd be really cool. If you did enjoy this video, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a like and subscribe to my channel before you continue on your journey into the YouTube black hole. I mean, even deeper than here. So I'll be seeing you in Cornwall next time, and until then, see ya.